Hey, how's it going? Welcome to the ZLINE kitchen. I am so fired up today, especially as we get ready to head into fall, believe it or not, time is flying, to talk about chicken and ways you can use chicken, ways to use chicken at home, ways to use chicken for the family. Before I butcher, I want to always make sure I set up with a few things, right? I have my cutting board. I'm gonna have its base underneath here. It's not gonna slide around on me, so I can cut these chickens the right way. I have a towel, because these things get a little slick sometimes. I'll take my steel. In this case, I'm gonna use a boning knife, okay? I'm gonna sharpen my knife, all right, like this. Again, I've shown this a few times. Go here. We're sharpening the knife, we're taking the burrs off, we're making it so it cuts really well. A boning knife is kind of key in my book. There's not many knives that you can, something like this works also, a little smaller one. Not a fan of working with a chef's knife and working with a chicken. All chickens get broken down the same way for the most part. And I'm gonna do the basics to start. It's called 8-way chicken for a reason. So each chicken can cut into 8 pieces. So I'm gonna remove the wing, okay? Just like that, 1 piece. Same thing over here, 2 piece. Next move, I'm gonna come over this side, all right? Flip the chicken back around. I'm gonna come through here. I really wanna make sure I keep my skin pinched. I go 1, very sharp knife, that's a good thing. 2, all right, now I'm gonna break it into the back side. I just make a little point with a little indentation with my thumbs right here back in the back where the thigh connects. Use my knife, okay? Now I don't rip it here because otherwise the skin would come off, and then I can just kind of pull it here. I let the chicken show me how to cut. I got a leg quarter, all right? And I got a leg quarter coming here. Just open it up, and I got a leg quarter here, all right? So right here, the main bone is called the keel bone of the chicken, okay? I like to have already cut these pieces off. I come down, all right? I cut on the keel bone, all right? Cut to either side of the keel bone, okay? That's gonna allow me to have this keel bone exposed, and I can see the tenderloins running the inside. I use my fingers. A lot of times butchering, you're using your hands, right? Maybe some knowledge and some hands. I'm gonna cut out this little wishbone right here, and I just pull this off. I have a skinless chicken breast, right? Excuse me. I have a boneless chicken breast. I have the skin on, okay? At a later time, we'll decide if we want to keep the skin or not. Peel it off here. Another skinless chicken breast. Excuse me, another boneless chicken breast, okay? Right there. Boom and boom. So that's 6 pieces. I'm going to show you where the 8 comes from. My drumstick and my thigh. Identify exactly where that cut is. And this is kind of fun because, in essence, if you're doing this at home, right, following along, and you thought to yourself, well, I want to practice, go ahead and buy that 49-cent bird, practice. You know, I went to culinary school. I paid 30 grand a year to practice on chicken. So you can do it at home, right? This is really, really simple to do. I'm not necessarily sure the kids could do, but now you have 2 wings, 2 drumsticks, 2 thighs, and 2 breasts. That's an 8-way chicken.